In today's video, we will see the 8 best colon cleansing foods that will make your whole digestive system healthy and more comfortable, especially the colon, and how the power of this natural colon cleanse comes through eating these foods on a daily and regular basis. The natural colon cleansing methods mentioned in today's video are not only inexpensive but also safe if done appropriately, but if you are taking any medications or have a medical condition, you have to consult your doctor before starting any colon cleansing treatment. 1. Water. Water is one of the simplest and most secure ways to practice a natural colon cleanse. Water moistens and bulks stool, allowing it to travel more easily through the colon. A dehydrated person will have little bowel movements because the body is trying to retain water. It reabsorbs water from the intestine, causing the stool to become dry, hard, and difficult to pass. Staying hydrated and drinking enough water is an excellent strategy for a healthy colon cleanse. 2. Apple juice. Juicing is an excellent method to cleanse colon and begin the new year on a healthy note. Apple juice is a great colon cleanser drink as well as a natural cure for constipation. The high pectin content of apples, approximately 2 grams pectin per apple, mixes with the mineral salts in the apple to generate an insoluble salt that can have a severe laxative effect. Apple juice can help to break down toxins, enhance the liver, and promote bowel movements. To make apple juice more effective, drink 1 glass of water 30 minutes after drinking it. 3. Lemon juice. Due to the large number of antioxidant compounds it contains, lemon juice seems to be another drink that may be utilized for a healthy colon cleansing regimen. It contains citric acid, which aids in both the production of digestive juices and the process of digestion. Lemon juice is an important component of a number of body cleansing regimens, including the Master Cleanse and Global Healing's own liver cleansing protocol. 4. FiberRich Foods. Eating fiber-rich foods will also help to remove toxins from the colon since they soften the stool and encourage bowel movement, which aids the body in excreting waste. Fiber-rich meals will also assist you in resolving any digestive troubles. Consuming whole grains rich in insoluble fiber might help indicate fullness. Fiber acts as a cleaning brush in your colon, cleansing it. Fiber's clean function helps clear out germs and other debris in your intestines, decreasing your risk of colon cancer. 5. Raw vegetable juice. For 1 to 2 days during a colon cleanse, solid meals should be substituted for fresh vegetable juice, which aids in the elimination of pollutants, while also providing vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Use freshly squeezed vegetable juices instead of ready-made vegetable juices, as they do not deliver the same advantages. Certain vegetable juices are well known for their diuretic and laxative qualities. Depending on how you strain your juice, you may get a lot of fiber from various vegetables, which can help clear out digestive issues and minimize unnecessary waste in the colon. 6. Ginger. A daily intake of ginger may help reducing colon inflammation, as a result, the risk of colorectal cancer. For a healthy colon cleanse, ginger has antibacterial effects and helps digestion. It also lessens bloating and helps the colon work properly, which makes it a good choice. It may be mixed with any juice or taken straight by combining a spoonful of ginger juice with honey in a cup of warm water. This concoction can be consumed twice a day. 7. Ground flax seeds. High in fatty acids, which may help with irritable bowel syndrome. Ground flaxseed has long been used as a natural laxative, because it expands in your system when it comes into touch with water, and adds weight to stools, allowing them to travel through your digestive tract more easily. Flaxseed provides a healthy mix of soluble and insoluble fiber, which work as a natural cleanser for colon and guts. 8. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a liquid produced from aloe vera plant leaves. It benefits the body and acts as an effective natural antioxidant agent, fighting cell aging, cleaning up the intestinal flora, strengthening the immune system and improving blood circulation. The flavor of aloe vera juice is similar to that of cucumber. Use it in foods and drinks with flavors that are comparable to watermelon, lemon, or mint. When consumed internally, aloe juice has a relaxing effect. Constipation may be helped even more by aloe latex juice, which contains anthraquinones or natural laxatives.